The game of wealth has a cheat code, and it's called bonus depreciation. In this video, I'll reveal exactly what bonus depreciation is, why it's now more powerful than ever, and how to use it to unlock massive tax savings. Without further ado, let's dive in. What exactly is bonus depreciation? Bonus depreciation is a tax incentive that allows businesses and certain investors to immediately deduct a large percentage of the cost of qualifying assets. This could be equipment, machinery, vehicles, or specific real estate improvements, rather than spreading those deductions out over the asset's useful life. Normally, when you purchase an asset, the IRS requires you to depreciate it slowly over various timelines. These timelines can range from 5 years all the way to 39 years. But with bonus depreciation, you can write off a significant portion of the depreciation expense in the very first year. This accelerates deductions, lowers your taxable income right away, and it frees up more cash flow for additional investing. But what are the new rules for bonus depreciation? On July 4th, 2025, President Trump signed the One Big Beautiful Bill Act into law. This new law restored 100% bonus depreciation. This means that business owners can now write off 100% of the cost for qualifying property placed into service after January 19, 2025 in year one. Qualifying property for bonus depreciation generally means assets that are tangible, that are depreciable, and have a recovery period of 20 years or less. Property that you use for personal purposes or hobbies does not count for bonus depreciation. Only property that is used in a trade or business is eligible. Why does this matter so much? Because there are several reasons why this is such an incredible development. First, bonus depreciation was actually scheduled to go away entirely by 2027. It was scheduled to drop from 40% in 2025 to 20% in 2026, and then 0% in 2027. So this amazing tax deduction was about to vanish entirely. Now, it's not only back, but it's been restored to its full glory at 100%. The next reason why bonus depreciation matters so much is because it makes it infinitely easier for businesses to feel more comfortable making investments in equipment or other assets to grow their businesses. I mean, just think about it. Wouldn't you feel more comfortable investing in a $100,000 machine for your business if you could write off the full investment in year one compared to having to spread this deduction out over 5 years? I know I certainly would. Another key thing to know about bonus depreciation is that it is now permanent, meaning unlike in the last 5 years, it is not scheduled to phase out by a certain percentage every year. This makes bonus depreciation more powerful and more important than ever before. Now let's talk about some ways that you can leverage bonus depreciation to save a huge amount of money in taxes while acquiring assets that can make you more money. Leveraging bonus depreciation for vehicles. 100% bonus depreciation is a powerful tool for business vehicles, allowing business owners to immediately deduct the full cost of qualifying vehicles in the year that they are placed in service. To qualify for the vehicle, you have to use it more than 50% for business purposes. Both new and used vehicles are eligible for bonus depreciation. So this can include trucks, SUVs, and vans with a gross vehicle weight rating over 6,000 pounds can qualify for the largest bonus depreciation deduction. With 100% bonus depreciation, vehicles that would normally be depreciated over 5 years under the modified accelerated cost recovery system or MACRS can instead be fully deducted in the year of purchase. For example, if a business buys an SUV for $75,000 that qualifies for bonus depreciation, the entire $75,000 can potentially be deducted in that tax year, assuming it is used 100% for business. Now, this can significantly reduce taxable income and provide substantial cash flow benefits. Bonus depreciation must be claimed in proportion to the business use percentage. Business owners can further maximize deductions by combining bonus depreciation with Code Section 179, which allows immediate expensing of qualifying property. Proper planning, including tracking business use mileage and timing the vehicle purchase before you're in, ensures that the deduction is fully leveraged. Overall, bonus depreciation is especially advantageous for heavier vehicles, making it a strategic tool for reducing taxes and accelerating write-offs for business assets. Let's talk about leveraging bonus depreciation for real estate. Normally, when you buy a rental property, you have to spread out your depreciation deduction over a very long time, 27.5 years for residential and 39 years for commercial buildings. That means you only get a small write-off each year, year, but thanks to the new bonus depreciation rules, we can leverage a cost segregation study to speed this up and take much bigger deductions right away. Cost segregation study breaks your property into pieces. Instead of treating everything as one building, the study separates out things like appliances, carpet, cabinets, light fixtures, and landscaping. These items wear out much faster than the building itself, so the IRS lets you write them off over 5 and 15 years instead of decades. Since anything under 20 years qualifies for bonus depreciation, you can deduct all of those costs immediately in the year you buy the property. For example, if you buy $1 million apartment building, a cost segregation study might find $250,000 of that total is tied to short-lived items like appliances, flooring, and outdoor improvements. With bonus depreciation, you could write off that full $250,000 in year one instead of waiting years to spread it out. That huge deduction can wipe out a big chunk of your rental income taxes and free up cash for more investments. Leveraging bonus depreciation can also work for business equipment. 100% bonus depreciation applies to a wide array of business equipment across many different industries. This is a huge advantage because it means you can write off 100% of the cost of many different types of business equipment in year one. For example, if your business buys $100,000 worth of equipment and you qualify for bonus depreciation, you can deduct the full $100,000. Maybe this is a forklift, maybe it's a crane. If you're in the 37% tax bracket, that could potentially save you $37,000 in taxes immediately. Business owners can use this strategy to reinvest the savings into growing their business, buying more equipment, or improving cash flow. The key is that the equipment must be used more than 50% for business use. How about leveraging bonus depreciation for Bitcoin miners? Most people do not immediately think about Bitcoin mining when they hear the phrase bonus depreciation. However, bonus depreciation does apply to a wide array of machines and equipment related to Bitcoin mining, such as mining rigs and cooling machines. Normally, you'd have to spread out the cost of this equipment over several years for tax purposes, but with bonus depreciation, you can deduct the entire cost the same year you buy it and put it to work. For example, if you spend $200,000 on mining rigs and related equipment, bonus depreciation lets you write off all $200,000 right away instead of little by little over 5+ years. Therefore, if you're in the 37% tax bracket, that could save you about $74,000 in taxes for the year. This is powerful because it can help you as a Bitcoin miner to lower your taxable income, keep more cash in your pocket, and reinvest faster into more equipment or electricity costs. Now, the key is that the mining must run as a real business, not just a hobby, and the equipment has to be used more than 50% for business purpose. Now, the importance of proper documentation should be clear to you by now if you follow me. When you claim bonus depreciation, you're usually taking a very large deduction up front. That big write-off can lower your taxable income by 10 or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in a single year. Because of that, the IRS sees it as a high-impact deduction, and if you're ever audited, they will want proof that you really qualified for this deduction. Proper documentation is what turns your claim from just a number on a tax return into a defensible, legitimate deduction. Without clear records like purchase invoices, service dates, usage logs, or even cost segregation study reports, the IRS can deny your deduction, hit you with penalties, and even trigger further audits. On the other hand, if you have solid paperwork, you can quickly show that the property was bought, placed in service, and used for business as required. Think of it this way. Bonus depreciation is like a fast pass for tax savings, but the ticket only works if you can prove you had the right use for it. Documentation is your ticket stub. It proves that everything is legitimate. Okay, guys, that's all I got for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We enjoy making these videos for you, and we hope that you liked today's video. We'll see you on the next one.